How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one, as you can see, over 300K of followers, and we have a lot of likes, comments. So this is an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and you can earn money using it. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So a lot of AI influencers earn millions of dollars. And in this video, I show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. So it's a base tool or AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can choose the one you want, and then you will enter your email, your verification code, then you will answer for a few questions, and after finishing sign up you can start creating your or generate your AI character. So if you scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of information that can help you to understand more how website works. And as you can see, this is the AI avatar or AI character. And here we have a lot of information about the website. So after getting to the website, this is the home page. So here we have my recent creations, and if you scroll down over here, you'll find hygiene learning guide. So if you want to understand about AI Studio, how it works, the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation. And if we scroll down, you will find templates. Here we have various templates with various topics, so you can choose the one to suit you, and then you will start making content. So here we have avatars, so you can click over here to dive to studio avatar. You can find various AI character there, and then you will choose the one you want or the one you like. So here we have, as I said, a lot of AI avatars, so you can choose the one that you like, and then you will start creating your video. So for example, this three dot is for if you want to edit avatar or if you want to get avatar ID. This one is if you want to start creating videos, so all you have to do is click on here if you want to start with YouTube. So this is a lot of options here. So you can change the place of the AI character. You can put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation if you want to effect on enter, effect on leave, and you can find other options like, for example, script. You can add your script that you want by typing here, and if you wanna help, you can just type topic that you want, and then you will have here the answers. You'll have here the script, and here we have translating the scripts if you want translated, and you can just click over here add a script if you want to add another one, or added post section or added recording or upload audio. So you can click over here and you will find uh, a lot of or various voices that you can choose to use it on your video or AI character. So here we have a type of voices. We have natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, game voice. So here we have the language. You can select the language you want and the gender you want. So it's depend on what you choose on your which AI character that you choose. So I already choose female, so I will click on female. So here we have the age. If you want a child voice, youth voice, middle-aged voice, older voice, and function. Here we have if you want a pausing supported or adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So you can change here all things that you want to, and then you will choose your voice, and then you will create your video, and you can submit it by clicking over here, and you will or you can download it. Then you will get or you will have your AI character, and you can use it on your video, and you can publish it on your channel. So there's a lot of ways to earn money. For example, starting as affiliate marketing. So a lot of marketing or you can start with this platform impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referred links, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic or choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology, and then you will start scripting. So you can write a script for your video guide on or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanations, examples, and any demonstrations you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.